We won! We won! We won! Yeah! We won! Oh goodness, the dogs are going! What did we win? What did we win? I gotta tell you what we won. We won the absolute concrete knowledge that New York is the most corrupt, unjust state in the history of the entire United States, and we won it today. I'm so thrilled! The dogs are flipping out! This greatest thing ever! If you don't know what I'm talking about and so excited about, today the SAFE Act was ruled on in Buffalo federal court, and guess what? We lost! Yes! I know, I'm thrilled myself! How could we possibly lose? The thing was so poorly written, there was misspellings! And the judge knew about it! Oh, but that doesn't matter. We totally 100% lost. The assault weapons ban in New York State was entirely upheld. Now, what we won was the knowledge that there's no, oh, the courts were sorted out anymore in New York. This is an unjust state, and it's getting away with it. I had a little inkling of court that this great nation that was founded, hell, and New York was a very, very important part of the founding of this nation. Some of the greatest battles in the Revolutionary War occurred just around here. Saratoga's not too far from here. So I had a little inkling that there might be some faith in this justice, some faith in this court. Well, that's gone today. That just got squashed out. Yes, I'm thrilled because they said the assault weapons ban. No, it's totally constitutional. They didn't really provide any basis for why it was constitutional. In fact, they referenced, believe this, get it out, they referenced the banning of cigarettes as justification for how this is constitutional. It's something about public safety, the banning of cigarettes. The banning of cigarettes, which is a big fat crock of shit anyway, you know, that's not constitutional. The banning of cigarettes, they use to reference this. I'm not sure, shouldn't you be looking at the Constitution, not cigarette bans? I don't, what are you, fucking Michael Bloomberg? I can't quite figure this out. But yes, entirely upheld the assault weapons ban, and you're going to have to register, and there's not going to be any ammo here on the 16th. You're not going to be able to buy any ammo in New York. Aren't you thrilled to hear it one more time? I'm thrilled. So all that stuff was entirely upheld. Not going to be able to buy any ammo here in New York here after the 16th, unless you want to put your name down in a registry, which doesn't exist. There's no way to do it. So there's no way to become a seller of ammo. Oh, you'll automatically do it. Okay, that's fine. But you got to have your name on this background check database. You got to have all your information, including your occupation, written down. I don't know what that has to do with your how eligible you are to buy ammo, but whatever. The dog really doesn't like this thing. This thing right here. So you're not going to be able to buy any ammo. You're going to have your assault weapons registered. Luckily, I don't have any because most people lose their assault weapons off a boat. Well, let's just say assault weapons, of course. Let's just say I decided to take them scuba diving one time, and I might have left them down there. Yes, no. If I had any assault weapons, I'd be right there registering. Yes, I'd be first in line, like the Connecticut people in line to register my assault weapons. Yes. So you're going to have your guns registered. You're not going to be able to buy ammo. It's great, and this is constitutional. This is constitutional in their fucking whacked out minds. This is constitutional. So what did we win, though? Because it wasn't all a loss. Like I said, we win. What did we actually win? The knowledge that the state is entirely corrupt with its judges, federal judges, which sucks because I want to make a point of this. The judge in our county, which I don't know how it goes, Supreme Judge, this judge, I'm not terribly familiar on that structure. I'd have to talk to the lawyer about that. But our judge is actually a nice dude. You may remember from my pistol permit video, I said that his process was a little bit unfair. But let's just put it this way. I've learned things recently that I've changed my mind on about there. He's a good dude. But the federal court, the Supreme Court, whatever, the one that made this decision is not just, is not logical, had misspellings, was still approved. That's how bad it was written. Now, I don't care if it has misspellings. Everybody makes mistakes. But this shows what a horrifically terrible rush thing it was. That's kind of, what you can see from it. So, but what did we actually win in addition to that knowledge? Well, the 7-round limit is gone. Yeah! Woo! High capacity magazines! No. The 7-round limit is gone. You don't have to load your mags to 7 rounds anymore. Because they thought that was ridiculous and arbitrary. I agree. So somehow they thought that 10 rounds, 3 rounds more, wasn't ridiculous and arbitrary. No, that was just fine. That was great, brother. That was just absolutely perfect. I don't understand where the hell that came from because I think in the world of logic, not the world of unicorn farts and fairy tales. I like to think in the world of logic. So I have no idea where that came from. The muzzle brake provision, the one, brake, like brake pads, that was taken out. I always get those confusion. Which one is the right spelling now? B-R-A-K-E. Which the way they spelled muzzle brake incorrectly, and that was taken out, so you can now have actual muzzle brakes on your guns. Now, no compensators. Okay, that's ridiculous. Well, I don't know what the hell a muzzle brake and compensator is. If I had, oh my God, it's crazy because it doesn't matter. They took out the misspelling, so you can now have your muzzle brakes. And they did a few custodial things to the law because they, again, didn't make any logical sense whatsoever. Now they just don't make any logical sense whatsoever, but are spelled correctly. So I just wanted to welcome you to this new year here. I hope you have a fantastic night, New Year's, go out and party and have all your fun times and zippity-doo-dahs and alcohol and all that stuff, and just know that with full assurance going to 2014, that if you had any shred of hope in the New York legal justice system, the New York court system, if you had any faith whatsoever, make it your New Year's resolution to lose all that, because it is gone. So the moral of the story is, SAFE Act upheld today in Buffalo. No, logic does not apply anymore in this state. I can't wait to get out. If I had the option, I would leave before the things on this thing stop flapping. So with that, have a nice day. Take it easy.